Maskarase, Mamkase, Kurise Ikoko, and Kurise Zimbabwe. Today we are going to church, and I just want to read a verse for you guys. And I'm going to read in Shona, Matthew chapter 22, verse 37.
You mean in Shona Bible?
Yes, I'm going to try.
All right.
So let's see.
Let's see.
Matthew 22, verse 37. Ati kuari. Eda eshe moari wako moyo wao wako vese.
Yes, you're doing well. Actually, you're doing very well.
All right.
Yes.
No mayo weke vese. No kufunga funga.
Yeah, no kufunga. Actually, you're doing
No
well.
funga
Yes.
kuvese ko wako kuvese.
Wow, good job. It's the first time, right?
Yes,
Wow.
it is my first time.
You really did well. Yes, it's saying akat kwa ari.
Atakuwari. Ida ishe.
Mwari wako.
Mwari wako.
Ne moyo wako wose.
Okay, moyo wako wese.
Ne mweya wako.
Ne moyo wako
wose.
wose.
No kufunga.
No kufunga.
Kwako kose.
Kako kose.
Wow, you did very well, very well. Yeah, so that's the message for today. The Bible says, Jesus said to him, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. So we just want to say to you, wherever you are, you should find time to worship God. It is very, very important. May God bless you guys. We'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye.
Bye.